Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now we're holding this support just here at the moment, and we're holding this resistance. So we're coiling up here, okay, looking for a trend direction. Now we have come up into this, but right now we have sort of rolled here. So this could be a bit of a trap for the continuation. Okay, there's no guarantees. But what we do want to see is a key level support hold. I'm going to show you in a moment a kind of pattern that I think that XRP is potentially forming, and I'm going to give you a massive level of support. Okay, so it's all about this resistance. If XRP breaks that right now, you're going to start to come back up, and this is a beautiful reversal pattern holding this technical support, looking to retrace and break that high. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so you know, on the daily, if we take a look right now on the daily time frame, there is a chance here that this is going to create some kind of falling wedge pattern. I'm going to show you, which everyone's going to get really scared, aren't they, at this point, if we do start to lose this support and break down. But you can see if XRP right now starts to come up like this, support, resistance, and starts to lose that and starts to tighten like this, that's a really nice pattern, you know, because that's a bullish pattern. That's called a falling wedge. And essentially what you're doing here is creating this big cup, and then you're coming back in a falling wedge, and people are going to get really bearish at this point. At that point, when you start to break out, boom, you've got a beautiful cup and handle pattern here from there to there, and that would be a technical break target. If you do start to come up and you create this little wedge, and it's like a bit of a bear trap basically, and people are, oh shit, and they're selling into it thinking it's going to zero, at that point you're going to be in a technical target once you come up and break that resistance of around about $1.10. This is a nice little cup and handle pattern that's potentially forming. Potentially, it's not formed yet, but it's potentially creating this little wedge coming back, okay, which is a bullish reversal pattern. So keep an eye on this. Now one thing we do want to see is obviously on the stock RSI, like I said to you last week, we was running into this resistance just there, and the stock was in the sky. Do you see that? The stock is in the sky. Now, if ever you want to see a big impulsive move, you want to see the stock in the floor. Look where the stock is right now, okay? I can show you. So, for example, when we was here in the RSI, look, anything here above this purple zone is called overbought. Anything above 70 is overbought. Anything below 30 is oversold. So you can kind of match, okay? So look for this example. On the daily time frame, you was down here in the floor. It felt really, you know, depressing, and people were really depressed, and blood, fear, and all that. Like I said to you, you buy your blood, buy your fear. Right now, you know, XRP was in the floor, really overbought, and the stock was in the floor as well. So it was actually a fantastic opportunity to ride the wave up, basically, to ride an impulsive wave, okay? And at that point, we rode it up. And you can see that XRP got really overbought, okay? Anything outside the purple zone matched with the stock being in the sky. So that was a good area to take profit at that point, okay? Because you was above the EMAs, and the RSI was overbought, and the stock is in the sky, okay? It doesn't hang around. Look, you can see it moves it up and down in waveforms. So there was a beautiful match there of a buy and a sell, do you understand? Or a go long and a go short, basically. Now, nothing I say is financial advice, you know. I just teach you what I know and what I see in the charts, and it's your own interpretation, and you learn the skill set to do with what you want. So, you know, just here, XRP, you can see in the stock, just there, it was overbought, just there. Okay, it was in the sky basically on the stock RSI. Do you see that? Okay, so if you're looking for a break, an impulsive break, you do usually want to see yourself in the floor. And right now we are in the floor, okay, but not necessarily the RSI. So, you know, there's no guarantees that this RSI is going to come down, but if we do start to form a little wedge here and start to fall out of this and come down, sorry, I do apologise. If we do start to form a little wedge here, okay, you're going to start to come down. Everyone's going to get really bearish. You're going to start to come down like this, okay, on the RSI, and the stock is going to remain down here in the floor. So this could offer an amazing opportunity. If it does start to get really deep here, and this RSI does come back into the oversold trajectory, wow, you know, it could be a massive opportunity for yourself, okay? And again, if you do start to come back up, you break out here and you start to come all the way back up there, and the RSI gets really overbought, and everyone's really greedy, and the stock's in the sky, take a bit of profit off the table or close you long or whatever, you know, it's entirely up to you. So that's just a little bit of trading using two extra indicators. I do primarily look at price action, but you know, you can add the RSI and the stock RSI as well, okay? So those indicators are, I'm going to show you right now, just here, we've got the stock RSI, okay, so that's how you spell it, STOCH RSI, and then the RSI is RSI. Two indicators you can drop into your charts that can help you with your intraday trading, okay? So it's all about support and resistance, but like I said to you, I do think that XRP is looking pretty tasty. You've come up impulsively, correctively, and right now you're coiling up, you're looking for the continuation of this new uptrend that you're actually in, and it's all about holding the lows. Now if you do start to come back in this wedge, everyone's going to get a bit fearful and a bit like, oh no, it's a bear trap, oh no, it's a bull trap, sorry, and XRP is going to zero. It's just opportunity because it moves up and down in waveforms, okay? So that's basically XRP. I hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for your support. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.